Hi everyone, are you also struggling with low download speed in Google Chrome? So let's see some few steps using which you can increase its download speed. In the first step, click on these three dots, go to help and click on about Google Chrome and make sure your Google Chrome is up to date. In the next step, go to privacy and security, click on delete browsing data, go to advanced tab, select all time and delete the data. In the third step, go to security, scroll down a bit and you'll get this option. Click here and select either the Google Public DNS or Cloudflare and see which one works best for you. In the next step, go to system. From here, turn off this option. In the next step, go to extensions and disable any unwanted extensions which you don't use. In the next step, open a new tab and search for Chrome flags. Here, search for parallel downloading. Click here and enable it and click on relaunch. In the next step, search for Chrome Net Internals. Click on DNS and clear the host cache from here. In the final step, open command prompt and run it as administrator. Now type in this command and hit enter. Once executed, restart your computer and this should increase the download speed of your Google Chrome. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and support the channel if you found the content helpful. Thank you.